Hi all. So we finished Kabalaroga half portion. The remaining Kabalarogas we will see today. You all know we finished Ubashirshaka, Pidika, Grandhi, Arbuda, Arumshika and Darunaga. The next Kabalaroga is Indralupta. So Romakoopanugam Pittam Vadena Saha Murchidam Prachavayadi Romani Tadaha Slekshmasa Shonitaha Romakoopan Runatyasya Tena Anyesham Asambhavaha Tad Indriluktam Rujyam Cha Prahur Chajetischa Apare. So here Romakupa Anukam, in Romakupa it is acting, the area where it is affecting is Romakupa in the scalp. Pittam Vadena Saha Murchidam. So Pitta got vitiated along with Vada. What it will do? Prachyavayadi Romani and causes the falling of hair. Hair fall will be the result. Tadaha, that place after falling of hair, Sleshma, Tadaha, Sleshma sa Shonitaha. The vitiated Sleshma and Shonita will reach that area. Ram, Roma, Kuban, Runatyasya. And what they will do? They will block that Roma Kuban, Runatyasya. Tena Anyesham Asambhavaha. Tena Anyesham Asambhavaha means after that it is Asambhava. Asambhava means what? After that there won't be any growth of hair. So, because of the vitiated Vada and Pitta reaching the scalp, it will cause the falling of hair. After that, who will reach there? Sleshma and Rekta reaching there will block that hole after for the hair growth. So it is completely the hair growth is completely blocked by all these doshas. Tad Indraluktam. That disease is known as Indraluktam. Rujyam cha prahur chajetischa apare. The other name for Indralukta are Rujya and Chacha. So this is the picture of alopecia. Indralukta is compared to alopecia. So here you can see some part. What happened? So in the scalp, according to our science, it is Pitta and Vada. Pitta got vitiated along with Vada, will go to that area and reaches that area and will cause the fall of hair. And after that, the vitiated Sleshma and Rekta will go and block the channels and thereby arresting the growth of hair again. So this disease is known as Indralukta and it is also known as Rujya and Chaja. So that is the Lakshana of Indralukta. So in Romakuba, in the Kabbalah, the Pitta vitiated along with Vada will go and causes the falling of hair. Afterwards, Sleshma and Rekta, vitiated Sleshma and Rekta will block that follicles, and then what will happen? There won't be any hair growth. That disease is known as Indralukta and it is also known as Rujya and Chacha. So next is the Chigilsa for Indralukta. Indralukte yathasannam sira vitva pralebeyet prachaya gadam kasisa manohva tuttha oshanaihi vanya amaratarupyam va gunja moola phalaistataha तथा लांगलिका मूलेहि करवीर रसेनवा सक्षौद्र शुद्रवाद अर्क सशौद्र अक्षु सक्षौद्र क्षुद्रवाध अर्कस्वरसेन रसेन वा दत्तूरकस्य पत्राणां फल्लादकरसेन वा अथवा माक्षिका हवि तिलपुष्प प्रकण्डकैः. So Indralukte yathasannam siram vidva pralepayet. So in Indralukta yatha asannam. In Indralukta condition, nearby places we have to do sira vyatha, siram vidva pralepayet. Then we have to do pralepa. Pralepa means we have to do lepanam. Prachaya gadam. Before lebana, we have to do prachana also. So, Siraveda should be done nearby and you have to do prachana. Prachana you had studied, right, in Panchakarma. So, it in Shalya. So, different types of Sira Veda is there or Sira Moshna is there. In that, prachana is one type. And there, you have to do prachana. After that, you can do pralepa. Pralepa means lepana. Lepana with what all things you can do? Kasisa manohva tuttha oshanaihi vanyam amaratarupyam va. So this is one combination. Kasisa manohva tuttha oshanam Vanya Amara Tarupyam Va, that is the next combination. Gunja Mula Phalaistadaha. Gunja Mula, root and Phala, with fruit and a root of Gunja. Tadha Langaliga Mulehi, using Langali Mula, root of Langali. Kara Bira Rasenava, and also with the Kara Bira Rasa. Then Sakshaudra Shudra Vadharka Swarasena Shaudram Shaudra Vadarka. That Swarasa can be used for Shudra Vadarka. The Shaudra mixed with the Shudra Vadharka. That can be used as Swarasa. That can be used for Pralepa. And Rasenava, the Dura Kasya Patranam, the Dura Patra, leaves of the Dura, that's Swarasa, can be used for Pralepa. Balladaga Rasenava, or the Balladaka fruit, you know, right? Balladaka, that Swarasa can be applied. Athava Makshika Havi Tila Pushpa Trikandakaihi. So, or with this mixture, Makshikam Havi. So, honey, ghee, Tila Pushpa, and Trikandaka. That also you can make a paste and apply over the Indralukta region after Prachanam. So this is the treatment for Indralukta. So in Indralukta you have to do Siraveda near that spot, and after that Prachana can be done, and then Pralepa, Lebana can be given. So Lebana, different yogas Acharya mentioned. So any of this we can apply. So in that lot of yogas are there. Kasisa, Manohva, Tuttha, Oshanam, Vanya, Amara, Taru, Pyamva, Gunja, Mula Phalam, Langaliga Moolam, Karabira Rasam, Kshaudra mixed with the Shudra Vadarka Swarasa, or the Thura Patra Swarasa, or Balladaga Rasa, or with the Makshika, Havi, Tila Pushpa, and Trikandaka. All this we can use for Pralepa after Prachanna. This is another treatment. Tailakta hastidandasya mashi chaja aushadam param. Tailakta hastidandasya mashi. Hastidanda, you know, right? The danda of hasti, elephant's teeth. So Tailakta hastidandasya mashi. So using hastidanda mashi, you have to prepare taila, and that also we can apply in chaja. Chaja aushadam param. So in Chaja, that is in Indralukta, we can use that taila for Abhyanga, for applying over that area. Shukla Romodgame Tatvad Mashi Mesha Vishanacha. Shukla Roma Udgame. So if there is white hair coming, Tadvat Mashi, at that time, what Mashi you have to use? Mesha Vishanaja. Mesha Vishanaja means the horn of Mesha. Mesha is a male sheep. So the horn of male sheep you have to make mashi, and you can apply it over if there is Shukla Roma. Varjayed Varina Sekam Yavat Roma Samutpavaha. Varjayed Varina Sekam. So jealous sekam, pouring water in that area should be avoided. Yavat Roma Samudbhavaha, till the Roma grows back there. So till that time they should not pour water over that area. That is the treatment for Indralipta. So Indralipta, Siraveda is mentioned. After that Prachana can be done, and lot of yogas for Pralepa, Lepana Acharya is mentioned, and also Taila yoga using Hastidanda Mashi can be used. And also if Shukla Roma is seen, then you can use the Mashi prepared with the Mesha Vishanacha. That means the male sheep horn of the male sheep, that we using that Mashi should be prepared, and that can be applied. And during all this treatment you should not pour water in that area. Avoid touching water there till the hair starts growing back. So that is Indralukta, Lakshana and Chikitsa. Next comes Khaladi. Next disease is Khaladi. Khalader api janmevam shadanam tatratu kramat. Khalader api janmevam shadanam tatratu kramat. So in Khaladi also the shadana of hair, how the origin of shadana of hair is same as Indralukta. Like Indralukta only, here also the hair will fall. In Vadaja condition, Pittaja and Kabaja, how it looks like. That is the next sloka. Sa Vadat Agni Degdabha Pittat Svinna Siram Vrada कपात् घनत्वग् वर्णैश्च यथा स्वं निर्दिशेत् त्वेचि. So, sa vadat agni dagdava. In vadat, how the dagda burn caused by agni, the fire burn. It looks like fire burned area. So, in vadaja condition, agni dagdava. And pitta, the svinna siravrata. In pitta, that will be like siravrata. It is surrounded by sira. That area is surrounded by sira. And kapat khanatwagga. And in kabaja condition, khanatwak means thick. The skin will be thick over there where the hair fallen. And ethaswam nirdished tvechi. Varnescha ethaswam nirdished tvechi. So, and different colors. Tvechi varnescha etha dosham nirdished. Each doshas, what color is mentioned for tveka, that should be seen in the scalp at that time. From that we can understand which dosha predominant. So in Vada it is like Agni Dagda, burned by fire. In Pitta it is like Siravrata, that area is surrounded by siras. And in Kapha the twak is very thick, Khana twaka. So Varnascha, that color of that area depends on which dosha is predominant. So that is Khaladi. And this is about Vada, Pitta and Kapha. Next Acharya is mentioning about Sannipadaja. So here you can see there is a hair fall, right? Doshehi sarva akritihi sarver asadhya sa nakhaprabha degda agnineva nirloma sadaha yacha jayate. Doshehi sarvakriti sarvehi. So in dosha, sarva dosha, sannipadaja, all the lakshanas can be seen. So doshehi sarvakritihi sarvehi. Asadhya sa nakha nipha. So nakha nipha, that area looks like nakha nipha, then it is asadhya. Otherwise also Sannipadaja Khaladi is asadhya roga only. Dagda agni neva, it looks like Dagda agni nirloma, there is no loma, no hair in that area. Sadaha, there will be burning sensation. Yacha jayate, that is the lakshana for Khaladi caused by all the doshas. So in all the doshas, all the lakshanas can be there. Along with that, that area looks like nakha, nail looks like nail. And degda agni neva, and it looks like that area is burned nirloma, there won't be any hair and there will be burning sensation. And this condition of Khaladi is asadhya. So Sannipadaja Khaladi is asadhya vyadi. So that is the lakshana for Khaladi. Khaladi is nothing but falling of hair. And some people will compare this to baldness. And it can be divided according to predominance of dosha. In Vadaja it looks like Agni Dagdam, so it is burned by Agni. Or in Pittajam it is surrounded by Sira. And in Kabaja the twak is very thick and the color of the scalp resembles different dosha predominance. So in and also in Sarva Sannipadaja, all the lakshanas of the dosha can be seen with its predominance. And it is asadhya vyadi. And nakha nipha, it looks like a nail. And also degda agnineva nirlomam, there won't be any aroma. And daha will be there, daha, burning sensation will be there. And this is a asadhya vyadi. Next disease is Palita. Palita, after studying the lection of Palita, we will see the Chikitsa for Khalida, Khaladi and Palita together, okay, because that treatments are mentioned together. So Palita, Shoga Srama Krodha Krataha Shariroshma Shirogataha Keshan Satoshaha Pajadi Palidam Sambhavatyadaha. So Shoga Srama Krodha Krataha, due to Shoga, Shrama and Krodha, Sharira Oshma Shirogataha, the heat of the body will reach where Shirogataha reaches the shiras. Keshan Sadoshaha Pajadi, and what there the pajana of the kesha started, palidam sambhavatyadaha, and the disease palida will occur. So because of shoka, shrama, krodha and the Sharira Ushma will increase and it will reach the head and start Pachati Paga of the start Pachana of the hair, and that will leads to the disease Palita. And this is the different dosha predominant lakshana. Tadvadat spuditam shyavam kharam ruksham jalaprabham pittatsa daham pitapam kapat snigdam vivirthimat sthulam sushuklam sarvestu vidyadvaya mishra lakshanam. Tadvadat spudidam shyavam kharam ruksham jalaprabham. In Vadaja condition, spudidam means start breaking. Shyava varna will be there. Kharam, brownish color, and kharam, it is rough, and ruksham, dry, jalaprabham. And pittad, sadaham. So in pittaja condition, there will be daham and pidapam. The color will be yellowish in color. Kaphat snigdam vivrthimat. In kaphaja, there will be snigdada in the scalp, and vivrdhimat sthulam sushuklam. And what happened? The sthulam vivrdhimat and thick. It will become, the hair will become thick. Sthulam vivrdhimat sushuklam and white in color. Sarvestu vidyat Vyamisra Lakshanam. Sarvestu in Sannivadaja condition Vyamisra Lakshanam. All the Lakshanas together we can see. So in Vadaja Palita there will be Sputita, breaking of hair, Shava Varnam, Kharam, Ruksham and Jalaprapam of the scalp and the hair. And in Pitta there will be Daham and Pidapam. It is yellowish in color. In Kapha there will be Snigdada in the scalp and Vivardhim and Sthulam. The hair will grow thick and its color is Sushuklam. Is white in color, and in Pitta it is yellowish in color, and Sarvestu Vidyat Vyamisra Lakshanam. And in Sannipataja condition you can see all the Lakshanas. So this is the Lakshana of Palita according to different doshas. So next is, so this is graying of hair Palita. And Shirurujodbhavam cha anyat vivarna sparshana asaham. So Shirurujodbhavam cha anyat vivarnam sparshana akshamam. In this is the Palita caused by Shirurucha due to the headache. That will cause to Palita. There will be Vivarnada. The hair will have Vivarnada, the different color. The hair, the abnormal color, and Sparshana Akshamam, tenderness will be there. The patient won't allow us to touch the hair. That is the Palita caused due to headache or Shirurucham. Asadhya Sannipadena Khaladi Palidhanischa. Asadhya Sannipadena Khaladi Palidhanischa. So it is Asadhya, Khaladi and Palida. If Sannipadacha, Sannipadacha Khaladi or Sannipadacha Palida is Asadhya. Asadhya condition. So this is the Lakshana of Khaladi and Palida. So Khaladi, Acharya is mentioned, it is just like Indralupta, but each doshas it is different. And Palita, it is there also the hair fall is happening. Palita, the texture is changing and the color of the hair is changing. So that is Palita. And here Vada, Pitta, Kapha, Sannipadaja type. Khaladi also same Vada, Pitta, Kapha, Sannipadaja is there. But in Palita again one more type is there. Palita caused due to Shirurucha. So that will cause different discoloration and also Sparshana Akshamam if it is causing due to Shirurucha means. So in both the condition, Sannipadaja condition both are Asadhya. Khaladi and Palita are Asadhya. And Sharira Parinamothan Anya Sharira Parinamothani Abekshande Rasayanam. So if this is due to Sharira Parinama, that is maybe due to some metabolic disease or old age and all degeneration and all, then we can give Rasayana to the patient. So Sharira Parinamotha and Apekshante Rasayanam. So that condition due to the Sharira Parinama it is happening. Due to the change in the body, if it is happening, due to old age it is happening, then we have to just give Rasayana. The chikilsa for Khalati and Palida are Khaladau Palide Valyam Harilomnischa Shodidam Nasya Vaktra Shiru Abhyanga Pradehe Sam Upachare. Khaladau Palide Valyam Harilomni. So in Khalati Palidam Valya means wrinkles. Harilomni means the Hariloma, that is brown hair. Kapala Varna. So in Hariloma, brownish hair. Shodidam, we have to give Shodana. And Nasya can be given Vaktra Shiru Abhyanga Pradeha. In Vaktra, in the face, in the Mukha, and in the Shiras, we can do Abhyanga and Pradeha. Abhyanga can be given and Leba can be applied. Some Upachare. So in Khalati, Palida, Valya, wrinkles, Harilomni, brownish hair. Then we have to do Shodana. After Shodana, Nasya can be given and Leba can be given in face and Shiru region. That we can do. And next treatment is Siddham Taile Brihatyader Jeevaniyescha Navanam Masam Va Nimbhajam Tailam Shira Bhuknavayet Yadi. Siddham Tailam Brihatyadir Jeevaniyescha Navanam. So Taila prepared from Brihatyadi or Jeevaniya Gana, that can be used for Nasya in this condition. Or next yoga is Masam Va Nimbhajam Tailam. 1 month, for 1 month we can ask the patient to use Nimbhajam Tailam, Nimba Taila for Nasya. Shira Bhuknavayet for the person who is only taking milk as the food. Shira Bhukna Navayet Yadihi means here in Natika it is mentioned Samyami Brahmacharya Paraha. So Brahmacharya should be followed. So we mentioned in the first sloka, that is Samanya Chikilsa, right? Khaladi, Palida and Valli wrinkles and brownish hair and all. We have to do Shodana and Nasya and Lepa should be given. So which all yoga can be given for Nasya and Lepa? Ajay is mentioning following this sloka. So first one is Nasya Yoga. So in this sloka, 2 Nasya Yoga is mentioned. Siddham Taila Brihadi Jeevaniya Gana. Using that we can make a prepare Taila, and that we can use for Navana. Or Masamba, 1 month we can ask the patient to use Nimba Taila for Nimbajam Tailam for Nasya, and ask the patient to take Shira Bhukna. So Shira as the food, and Yadihi Brahmacharya should be followed. So this is a treatment Nasya Yoga in Khaladi and Palita. So the next Nasya Yoga is Neeli Shirisha Koranda Bringaswarasa Bhavitam Shelu Aksha Tila Ramanam Bijam Kaka Antaki Samam Vishtva Ajapayasa Lohad Liptad Arkamshu Tapitat Tailam Srudam Shira Bujo Navanat Palida Andhakrita. So Neli, Shirisha, Koranda, Bringa Swarasa. So all these Swarasa, Bhavidam. What you have to do Bhavana in this Swarasa? Shelu, Aksha, Tila, Ramana, Bija. Bija of these drugs we have to do Bhavana in all this Swarasa. And you have to take Bijam Kaga Andagi Samam. Kaga Andagi Samam means the size of the egg of a crow. So Kaga Andagi Samam. So after Bhavana we have to take this medicine in the size of the egg of a crow. And what? Pishtwa Ajapayasa. And you have to Pishtwa mix it with Ajapayas. Lohad Liptat. After that you have to coat it over a Loha Padra. And then Lohad Liptada Arka Amshu Tabida. So in Arka Amshu Tabida means you have to keep that in the sunlight. Arka Amshu Tabida. Tailam Srudam Shira Bujo Navanad Palida Andhakrit. Tailam Srudam. From that, if you keep that in the sunlight, the Taila will start coming out, and that Taila can be used for Navana in a patient who is Shira Bujo. She had taking milk as the diet, milk as the food. Then it will cure Palida Andhakrit. So, Nili Shirisha Koranda Bringaswarasa Bhavidam Shelu Akshatila Ramana Bijam. So, these bijas you have to do bhavana in these swarasas and have to take a kaga antagi samam, the size of the crow egg. That much medicine you have to take, and pishtwa ajapaisa and mixed with the ajapayas, and you have to do lipta. Lipta means coat over the loha vessel and keep it in the sunlight, and the thaila which is coming out from that you can do for nasya in a patient who is taking Shira as a food. Then you can cure the Palita. So this is the Nasya Yoga for Palita. Next is, this is also a Nasya Yoga. Shirat Sahacharat Bringarajasaha Saurasa Rasada Prastehi Tailasya Kudavaha Siddhau Ishti Palan Vidaha Nasyam Shailasane Bhande Sringe Meshasyava Stidaha. Shirat Sahajarad means Sahajara Bringaraja Saurasa, that is Surasa, Rasad. So all these Rasa, Sahajara, Bringaraja and Surasa, Rasa you have to take, and also Shira. All this you have to take Prastha Pramanam. So one Prastha Kshira, one Prastha Sahajara and one Prastha Bringaraja and one Prastha Surasa you have to take, and Tailasya Kudavaha and one Kudava Taila Siddhau Yeshti Panan Vidaha, and you have to take Yeshti as the Kalka. And that taila you have to prepare and have to store in Shailasane Bande Sringe Meshasyava Stidaha Nasyam Kuriya. So Shailasane Bande, that means in stone vessel, on in Sringe Meshasya, that means in the horn of the male sheep. You have to store that in a stone vessel or in the horn of the sheep, and you can use that for Nasya in Palita. So what you have to do is Shira, Sahajara Swarasa, Brinkaraja Swarasa and Saurashtra Surasa Swarasa. Prastha you have to Prastha Pramana you have to take, Taila one Kudava you have to take, and you have to take Yeshti Madhu, that is one Pala, and you have to make Taila, and you have to store that in a stone vessel or in a horn from the male sheep's horn. You have to store this oil, and then you have to use that medicine for Nasya in Palita condition. And next yoga is Lepana Yoga for a Pralepa. Shirena Slekshna Pishtauva Dugdika Karavirakau Utpadya Palidam Deya Avashaye Palita Paho. So Shirena Sleshna Pishtova Dugdika Karavirakau. So Dugdika and Karabika you have to make into a thin paste, smooth paste, Sleshna Pishto using Shira. Utpadya Palidam, and before applying that medicine you have to take out the palida, that grey hair you have to pull out, and you have to apply Deya Avashaye Palida Paham, and apply this paste over that area. So it will towards Palita. So what you have to do, this is a Levana Yoga, and Dugdika and Karavira you have to take Karavira, and you have to make into a fine paste using Shira, and you have to apply that on the area after plucking out the Palida, the grey hair, and that will cure Palida. And next yoga is, this is also a Pralebana Yoga, Lebana Yoga. Kshiram Priyalam Yeshtyahva Jivaniyo Ganastilaha Krishnaha Pralepo Vaktrasya Hariloma Valihitaha. So this can be used for hariloma, that is brownish hair, and in also vali, wrinkles. You have to apply this paste. Shiram Priyalam Yeshtyahva Jivaniyo Gana. So Priyala Yeshtyahva Jivaniya Ganam Krishna Tilam. Tilaha Krishnaha macerated in Shiram, and make a fine paste and apply over Vakrasya in the face. You have to apply this over the face, will reduce Lepo Indralupta Valishu Hidaha Hariloma Valishu Hidaha. It is mentioned here in Tika. Acharya is mentioned in Indralupta and Vali. We can use this paste. So you have to take Priyalam Yeshti and Jeevaniya Ganadravya and Krishna Tila and powder and macerated in Sheeram, make a fine paste and apply as a lepa. And this will cure Hariloma and Vadi. This is it. These two are Lepana yogas. And next comes this is also Murtha Pralepanam Lepana yoga only. Tilaha sa amalaka Patma kinjalko madukam madu Brimhayet Renjayet edat Keshan Murtha Pralepanad. So we can use for Renjayed, Brimhayed and Renjayed. This yoga will nourishes the hair and also it will that color discoloration can also be cured. Renjayed, the color will also get back. So tila asa amalaga patma kinjalko madukam maduhu. So the paste is made with tila, Krishna tila, amalaki, patma kinjalka and madukam and mixed with madhu. You have to apply keshan murtha pralepanad. So edat keshan murtha pralepanad. So you have to apply that on the head. Then it will Brahmayed and Renjayed Keshan. They will nourish us and it will get back the normal color of the hair. Renjayed. So that is a yoga for color, getting the color back and also for Brahmana of the hair, for the proper growth of the hair also. It nourishes the hair. So the paste should be made with tila, amalaga, patma kinchalka and maduka mixed with the honey, madhu. And that paste you have to apply. Next yoga, this is for Kesha Samvardhanam, for the growth of hair, thick hair. Mamsi, Kushtam, Tilaha, Krishnaha, Sharipa, Neelamutpalam, Kshaudram cha, Shira Pishtani, Kesha Samvardhanam Param. So for the increasing the thickness of the hair, you have to apply Mamsi, Kushtam, Tila, Krishnam, Sharipa, Neelolpalam mixed with Kshaudra. And it can also be mixed with Shira Pishtani, macerated in Shira, can be applied on the head. So Mamsi, Kushtam, Tila. Tila also Krishna Tila. Krishna Tila, Sharipa, Neelolpalam and Kshaudra mixed with the Shira, macerated well and apply will increase the growth of or thickness of the hair. Next yoga. Ayorajo Brinkarajasthriphala Krishna Mrittika Sthidam Ikshurase Masam Samulam Palidam Rajed. In Palidana Palita, it cures the Palida. It means Rajed. Rajed means it will give the normal color back. Ayorajo. Ayorajo is the powder of Aya, that is iron powder. Bringaraja. Bringaraja. Triphala. Krishna Mritika. Krishna Mritika is dark soil. Krishna Mritika. Sthidam Ikshurase Masam. It should be kept in Ikshurasa for 1 month. Sthidam Ikshurase Masam. Samulam Palidam Rajet. Will cure the Palidam completely. So, Yorajo, iron dust, Bringaraja, Triphala, Krishna Mritika, black soil kept in Sthidam Ikshurase Masam, kept in Ikshurasa, sugarcane juice for 1 month will cure the Palidam completely. Samulam Palidam Rajet. And the next yoga is Mashakkodrava Dhanyamler Yavagu Tridinoshita Loha Shuklotkada Pishta Balagam Apirenjayed. Balagam Apirenjayed. Balaga. Balaga means crane, white crane. Renjayed. Even it will change the color of the balaga, white crane, into black. So what all you have to do? Masha Kodrava Dhanyamla Yavagu Tridinoshita. In 3 days you have to put Masha Kodrava and Dhanyamla in Yavagu, and that Pishta, that mixed with the Loha Shuklotkada, that will change the color of even the white crane into black. Then it will completely cure the Palita. So Masha, Kodrava and Dhanyamla kept in Yavagu for 3 days and mixed with Loha and Shuklotkada, we have to apply it on the hair and it will change the color of the hair. This is another yoga, that is Renjayed. It will change the color of the hair to normal. The black color will come back. Next yoga, Prapoundarika Maduka Pippali Chandana Utpalihi Siddham Datri Rase Thailam Nasyena Apyanjanenascha Sarvan Murtha Gadan Hanti Palidanischa Chilitam. Prapoundarika Maduka Pippali Chandana Utpala Siddham Datri Rase Thailam. Thailam Siddham in Datri Rasa can be used for Nasyena Apyanjanenascha. For Nasya and Abhyanga, you have to use that. Sarman Murtha Gadan Handi. All the Murtha Gadan disease, it will Murtha Gadan Handi. So Sarvan Murtha Gadan Handi. It will cure all the Chaturtha Vikaras, Murtha Vikaras, and Palidanishcha Chilitam. And Palida also, if you do it properly, habitually, then it will cure the Palida also. So Prapoundarika, Maduka, Pippali, Chandana, Utpala, Siddham, Datri Rasa, and Thaila should be prepared and you can use for Nasya and Abhyanga. That will cure all the Shirorukas and Palita also. This is a Nasya and Abhyanga yoga. Vari Jeevanti Niryasa Payobhiryamagam Pachet Jeevaniyescha Tatnasyam Sarvajatrurtha Rogachit. Vari Jeevanti Niryasa Payobhiryamagam Pachet Jeevaniyescha Tatnasyam Sarvajatrurtha Rogachit. So Vari Shatavari Jeevanti. So that Niryasa, that Kashaya, we have to add Payopir Yamakam, Paya, milk and Yamaka. Yamaka is 2 snehas. So oil and ghee can be taken. So Payo and Yamakam, 2 snehas. Pachet Jeevaniyescha and Kalka we can take Jeevaniyagana. Tad Nasyam, that Nasya can be used for Sarva Jatrurtha Vikaras. For all the Jatrurtha Vikaras, we can give this Thaila for Nasyam. So Vari Jeevanti, in that Kashaya you have to add Shira and Yamaka, Sneha, and Pache, the Jeevaniya Gana also, Dravyas also you have to add, and das Thaila you have to prepare for Nasya, will cure all the Jatrurtha Vikaras. Next is, this is a Mayura Kratha. So this sloka you have to by heart. Mayuram Paksha Pitta Andhra Pada Vid Tundha Varjitam Deshamula Balarasna Madukir Tripaler Yutam Jele Paktva Krita Prastam Tasmin Shira Samam Pachet Kalkider Madura Drevyehi Sarva Jatrurtha Rogachet Tad Apyasi Kritam Panabasti Apyanjana Navanehi. Mayura, what is Mayura? Peacock. Mayuram, Paksha, Pitta, Andhra, Pada, Vid, Tunda, Varjitam. Without, so at peacock you have to take without Paksha, feather, Pitta, Pitta is bile, Andhra, intestine, Pada, legs, Vid, excreta, Tunda means beak. So all this Varjidam. Without all this we have to take. And along with that Dashamula, Bela, Rasna, Madhuker, Tripale Yutam. 3 pala of Dashamula, Bela, Rasna and Madhuka should be taken. Jale Paktwa. And you have to cook or boil that in Jalea. Krita Prastam, add to that. Krita, one prasta of kritam, tasmin shira samam pajet, and also same quantity shira, and that means krita and shira you have to take 1 prasta and add to that kalkider madura dravyehi, and kalka madura ganadravyas you have to take. Sarva jatrurtha rogachet, it will cure all the jatrurtha vyadis. Tad abhyasi kritam, that should be taken habitually. Pana basti abhyanjana navanehi can be used for panam, sneha panam, basti, abhyanga and navana. This mayura krita can be used for all this pana, basti, abhyanga and navana in all jatrurtha vigaras. So mayura, peacock, you have to take without paksha, pitta, andhra, pada, vit and tunda, and added with the dashamula, drugs like dashamula, bela, rasna, maduka. 3 palas you have to take, and krida prastha and shira prastha. Krida and shira prastha quantity you have to take, and jala you have to add, and kalka you have to add, madura gana dravyas you have to add as kalka, and prepare oil. And that prepare krita that can be used for sarva jatrurtha roka. Sarva jatrurtha roka we can use this mayura krita tadda abhyasi kritam. How it should be used? Pana, basti, abhyanga and navana, and should be used habitually. Then we will get a cure for all the sarva jatrurtha vikaras. So this is mayura krita, and next comes mahamayura krita. एदेनैव कषायेन कृतप्रस्थं विपाजयेत् चतुर्गुणा पयसा कल्केर् अभिश्च कर्षिकैः जीवन्ती त्रिफला मेधा मृद्विका ऋद्धिपरुषकैः समङ्गचविका भागी काश्मीरी कर्कडाह्वये आत्मगुप्ता महामेधा तालखर्जूरमस्तकैः मृणाला बिसखर्जूरा यष्टि मधुकजीवकैः शतावरी विदारी इक्षु बृहती शारिवायुगैः मुर्वाश्वदंष्ट्रा ऋषभक शृङ्गाडक कसेरुकैः रास्ना स्थिरा तामलगी सूक्ष्मे एल षडीपौष्करैः पुनर्नव तव क्षीरी काकोली धन्वायसकैः मधुका अक्षोढ वादाम मुञ्जात अभिषुकैरपि महामयूरम् इत्येतत् मायूर अधिकं गुणैः धात्वी इन्द्रिय स्वरभ्रंश श्वासकास अर्दितापहं योनि असृक् शुक्रदोषेषु शस्तं वन्द्यासुतप्रदम्. So this is the Mahamayura Krita Yoga. Edeneva Kashayena. The Kashaya already mentioned what is mentioned for a Mayura Krita. Same Kashaya you have to take. In that Krita Prastham. Krita should be taken 1 prastha. Vipajaye Chadur Gunam Payasa. So here we have to take Shira 4 guna. 4 times Shira should be taken. Kalker Abhishcha Karshikaihi. So, Karsha Pramana, you have to take all these drugs. Jeevanti, Tripala, Medha, Mridvika, Dviparishugaihi, Samanga, Chavika, Bhargi, Kashmiri, Karkadaka, Atmagupta, Mahamedha, Tala Kharjura, Tala Mastaga, Mrinala, Bisa, Kharjura, Yeshti, Maduka, Jivakaihi. All these dravyas you have to take 1 Karsha. So same kashaya what we had to prepare in Mayura Krita with Mayura or without a pitta, andhra, pada and all you have to take along with that dashamuladi dravyas you have to boil in a jala. That kashaya you have to add here 1 prastha of grata and 4 prastha of payasa, ashira, and the kalka is different. So this much drug you have to take, that also 1 karsha pramana. So each you have to take 1 karsha, and then what you have to do after that, you have to prepare krita, and that is more efficient than mayura. Mahamayuram ityedat mayura adhika gunaihi. So it is more, the efficacy is more in this Mahamayura krita. And the indications are Dhatvi Indriya. So Dhatri nourishes Dhadu and also it nourishes Indriya, and we can use this in Swarapramsha, Shwasa, Kasa and Ardita. Swarapramsham, Shwasa, Kasa and in Ardita we can give this Mahamayura Krita, and also in Yoni, Asrik, Shukra Dosheshu. So in Yoni dosha and in Rekta doshas and also in Shukra dosha we can give this medicine Shastam, Vandya, Sudapradam, and also in Vandya, in Vandyavastha also, infertility also, we can give this Mahamayura Kritam. So that is more efficient than the Mayura Krita. And also the last sloka, Aguppihi Kukkuder Hamser Shasesche iti Shashesche iti Prakalpayet. This Krita, this Mayura and Mahamayura Krita, we can use instead of Mayura Aku. Aku is mouse. Kukkuda, hen. Hamsa, swan, or Shashescha iti, or using rabbit we can prepare this Mahamayura or a Mayura Krita. Instead of Mayura we can take these animals or this hen and a swan. Any one of this we can take and we can prepare Krita, and that is also efficient in all Jatrurta Vikaras. So hope you all understood the Chikitsa for Khalita and Palita. And we have started from Indralupta, Khalita and Khalati and Palita. Three diseases are there with the treatment, and Lakshana and treatment that I had mentioned. I hope all of you understood the Lakshana and Chikitsa of this Kapala Rogas, and thus ends the Kapala Rogas. Thank you.